was coming up to Melbourne, a little getaway with the family. Happened to notice Jenny Pie, 1973 42 Merritt was up here. Figured I'd touch base with him. See if I can take a little look around. She is available for sale. First boat built by Roy Merritt after he took over the building process. So she's been around the block a little bit, obviously since 1973, but she did get a refit in 2001, 450s, two 450 Cummins diesels. Had a whole bunch of electrical work done recently, so everything's really up to date. You know, this is not a project boat. It's 1973, but she's not a project boat. She's ready to go. There's a little nostalgia here. Used to be the world record over in Hawaii, in the Pacific anyway. Probably not anymore. Up on the bridge.